Welcome, guys. Welcome to my Leetcode solving section. This 566 reshaped matrix. Okay, I think this is basically imitate a NumPy, right? If you know the NumPy, that you can use NumPy reshape. Okay, so the problem is that basically somebody gives you a matrix, and the two positive integer are C. Okay, R means row, C means column. You need to reshape a matrix such that it has the number of rows of the new matrix is R, and the number of the rows, number of columns of new matrix is C. Okay, so for example, this is 2 to 2, 2 by 2 matrix, and R is 1, C is 4, and so you reshape it into this. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And this is 2 by 2, right? And this is 2 by 4, right? So 2 by 2 cannot change it to 2 by 4. So if you cannot do this, then you just output the original matrix. Okay. And we don't we are not allowed to use NumPy, right? So there's no way to do this. Okay, so the first one is we take the m and n, right? This is original column, and the number of rows is m, the number of column is n, and then we check that whether r times c is if r times c is not the same as m times n, right? There's no way that you can transform, right? So no way, right? So so that means you can only return num, right? You just return original matrix. Okay, and what I do is very traditional, right? I first collect all the number into list. So I just flatten the list. Okay, so L is 0, and for I n I just append ij. So I will first flatten the list, and I collect back. Okay, so for I range column, so the number of rows, right? I just collect all the columns, and for each rows there are the number of that row. For each rows, right? The number of elements in it is the number of columns. So I times c go to I plus 1 times c, right? So for I range n r, and I collect all it back, then it becomes an answer. Okay, I think the philosophy is easy, right? I mean, so the only part, the tricky part is you need to think of why this is an answer. But yeah, I think it's very straightforward. Okay, I will see you guys in other videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.